Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I haven't uploaded a video. Well, I was supposed to do something on Twitch yesterday, but Twitch was being dumb, and then I was supposed to upload it then to YouTube. But we're back with another video, and we are going to do a game with Claude. So most people are also using Claude, or they're using some like stuff like VS Code or Black Box or stuff like that, and they're making stuff with Sonnet or Opus. I have access to Opus on Black Box. I tried making a game with Black Box, but I think it took too long. Lovable, I think, has a better understanding of it to a certain degree, but they'll eventually get there. But we're going to be doing stuff with Claude, so I do want to make just a simple, I don't know, just a simple 3D game or like 2D or 3D platform game, just something simple, something more, just, I'm not too sure if we can make a AAA game, but we are just going to go with something simple. So we're just going to do that because I have seen people do some stuff with on YouTube with the platformer stuff. We're going to do this, and then maybe we'll try to see if we can do a AAA game, maybe tomorrow. But we're just for now, we're just gonna do a simple 3D platformer. That's all I already want. So let's see what it can do. Just something simple. And then tomorrow we're going to see if we can make a AAA. I just want to get something simple because most people have been making this is the simple 3D platformer games. As of late, I saw some type of stuff already on YouTube, so I might as well put it to the test to see if it is possible. Because they just showed their type of stuff, but I'm saying to myself, okay, so they did theirs, so I want to see if maybe I can do something like that. Okay, something simple. It's just a little platformer. See how it works. It does work. There you go. Yep, you can just do this game. So I'm not really the greatest at platformers, but there you go. Here's a little game, little platformer game. Yeah, I'm not really the greatest at these types of games, but this is what you can do. I mean, maybe we can see if we can do the AAA. There you go. You can make a little game. So there you go. Next thing we're gonna see if we can make a AAA game. I also saw that too, so we might just do a all-in-one little video. We're gonna do a new chat, and I don't know. I don't know. I'm just being general. It's just I don't want to, like, I'm not gonna just at the best time is just Possible. If you can do it, as if it's possible, that's kind of a big blow to the to the studios. You can make a simple 3D platformer, which is just just a little indie game, but now the real test is, can we do it? So this is off of Sonnet. Opus has a little bit more functionality for more complex tasks. Sonnet is more of your everyday use. So pretty much, if you really want to compare it in the sense of Gemini, and then Gemini with the Flash is more everyday use. So like stuff like help me organize my schedule, stuff like that, book my meetings, all that type of stuff. And now we have the advanced, which is stuff with math. So like I need help with this spreadsheet for the budget of the Q1 budget, or in the sense of I need you to help me make a system or something along those lines. But what I like more about this is that even though this is more of everyday type of stuff, it has an artifact system, which basically obviously is kind of like as I said, like the animation and a lot of stuff of like Adobe Animator, and it has an actual system to build a lot of those pixels and everything. But now let's say something like I want something like GTA or something. That is when Opus would come in. So you would probably put it into Black Box or something along those lines and just select Opus. They have their own version to a certain degree, but I would have to say that is when Opus would come in. Um, but as they say, this is just this more of a general statement. But now, if you want to get more into specifics, I truly think that it would be more of an Opus type of situation, or even maybe Genspark can do something with that along the lines. So okay, so let's do this. This is a AAA game. Boom. So warning: thresh material is invasive and not proper. Go away. Okay, not too bad. So you can make it, but it still has a little bit of error. So they have the console message right here. The 3 mesh basic material emissive is not a property of this material. So so sometimes it does get some type of stuff, but again, as you can see, it is possible to make a game at least functional. It does have its stuff, but as I say, you can make some stuff. But yeah, there you go. You can definitely make a AAA game with this. So it's possible. And there you go. You can make a AAA game. You can make a simple 3D shooter. You can do a lot of type of stuff. So there you go. So it's possible. So everyone who said that, all these people who were saying about making a game with Sonnet, yeah, you can do it. There you go. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z signing out.